Hi there and welcome to a new day working on a new logo. Today we will work on a crunchy nuts. So let's get started. Our very first step in designing a logo is deciding which typeface to be used. Here I'm searching different typeface that best suits with the brand identity. So today we are designing a logo for a peanut butter spread company. So what do you think, what kind of logo should we use and what kind of typeface would best match with the company? So I have finally decided to work on this typeface. Now to further modify this typeface, first we have to convert it into create outlines so that we can use the pencil tool and smooth tool on it. Since we are designing a logo for peanut butter spread, I decided to make it catchy, memorable and relevant to the target audience. And here is the logo. We went from this typeface and created something like this with the help of only pencil tool and smooth tool. Now let me show you the quick outlook of our logo. So that's it in today's video. In the next video, we will create a packaging label design for peanut butter spread. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.